guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell, that way you are always notified every time I upload a video. In today's video we're going to be talking about, it's more like a law of attraction kind of a video, and what I'm going to be talking to you guys about today is how to use water to attract anything you want into your life. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so something as simple as a glass of water can actually be life-changing because it's something that you do every single day, multiple times a day. So why not turning into something that's going to benefit you, not just health-wise? Of course, water benefits you when you drink it for your hair, skin, and nails, but I wanted to go a little bit deeper today and tell you guys about how to use water with the law of attraction and just put them together and attract into your life anything you want. Money, love, career, job, health, happiness, laughter, joy, adventure, anything you want. So we as humans are made up of 70% water, and water crystallizes a specific way based on your thoughts and what kind of energy you're sending to it, or what kind of energy is surrounded, like what kind of energy water is surrounded by. The molecular structure of water changes based on what you're thinking and what you're feeling while you're drinking it. Even if you have a cup of water around you when you're eating dinner, or around you while you're working, or in your bedroom overnight, it's still absorbing the energy around it. So it's constantly absorbing energy. There was a doctor, his name was Dr. Emoto, and he dedicated his entire life to studying water. So what he did is he got 2 glasses of the same water. In one glass of water, he sent negative thoughts to it, and just negative words and negative energy surrounded that cup of water. And then in the next cup of water, what he did is just put loving thoughts into it and loving words, and just surrounded it with like loving energies. The next thing he did is froze both of the glasses of water. Now when he took the water out and he studied it, both of the waters crystallized differently. The water that had the hatred in it and the negative thoughts and negative words into it, that water crystallized in a very like ugly, chaotic way. And then the water that was infused with loving words and loving thoughts, that water crystallized in a very beautiful way. So based on all of this information, I realized that water has so much power, and why not use that power to our advantage? So what I like to do, I'm going to show you guys the fun part of this video, is I like to take my glass of water, and then I will either like take stickers like this from the dollar store. I got this 30-pack of labels from the dollar store, and I will write words on here that I want to attract into my life. So prosperity, abundance, money, love, health, joy, laughter. If I want to attract adventure or a fun trip or like a spontaneous weekend getaway or something, I will stick it on to my glass of water, and then I'll write it on there. Just keep in mind that when you do stick stickers onto your cups, it's not going to like come off, and it's going to be a mess in the sink. So for those, you might want to use like plastic cups. Like this one is plastic. But that's one way to infuse your water with whatever you want to attract into your life. Another thing that I like to do is to get some paper and write down whatever I want. Like I will either write down a list of things I want, or I'll write down prosperity or an amount of money that I want to attract, something like that, and then I will put my water right on top of that paper. Now with this paper, you can get super creative. You could write it in list format like I did. You can put stickers on it, you can decorate it, you can use colors. Colors have a lot of symbolism. Orange is used to attract. Money is of course prosperity. There's a lot. Black is to like cleanse and get rid of negative energy. Red is for love, pink is for communication. So definitely use color if you want to, and then just stick your water right on top of there, and then throughout the day it's being infused and you can just drink it. Now this is a really good idea when you have your water like around you for a long period of time, like when you're drinking your water over a long period of time, like in your office you have your cup of water, you want to just put it on top, and throughout the day it's like it's there. You don't even have to do anything, it's doing it by itself. So, or like overnight when you guys keep water, if you guys do like I do, I keep water by my bedside, I will just put it on top of something like this and then drink it in the morning or throughout the night. The next thing that I love to do is buy cups and glasses that have really positive sayings on it. Like these, guys, you guys can get this at the dollar store. You guys get 2 for $1. So this one says adventure awaits, and this one says free spirit. So these are, of course, like very positive, fun things that you can attract into your life if you infused your water into here. It's absorbing the energy of these words, and then every time you look at these words, you read them in your mind. So you're saying them in your mind and you're holding your cup. The energy is just like circulating right around you and into the water. So these are really good for attracting as well. Like if, especially your morning coffee cups, if they have positive sayings, like I've seen sayings that say girl boss. I have one that says good morning. There's a lot that says today's gonna be an amazing day. Like those are very powerful and very magical tools to put your water in and drink it, or even your coffee, tea, whatever. But these you can get from the dollar store, and they are plastic. You get 2 for $1. You get the straw and the lid with it, and they're reusable. Since you get 2 for $1, what you could do is use one just as it is, and then use the other one. You take a Sharpie marker and just like write all over it what you want. That's another good idea. And those are ways you can infuse your water with words and by writing things down. But in my next video that's coming up soon, so stay tuned, I'm going to show you guys how to not only use the words, but I'm also going to show you guys how to infuse your water with crystals. So that's my video on how to infuse your water and charge and amplify your water for manifesting anything that you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the little bell, that way you never miss out on another video. And I will leave all of my law of attraction videos linked down below for you guys to check out if you're interested, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.